song. You've got a friend in me. Ito, nakita ko na sila. You've got a friend in me. Ayun! Hi guys! Can I get your name?
Stand up, Kuya Marco. Stand up, stand up.
Marco! Ikaw.
Jaira.
Jaira, ayan. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling nervous, excited, happy?
Ilangan po ako at nakakapagod.
Nice. You know, sometimes, tama din naman nun lang, konting ka ba, pero at the end of the day, happy ka na, right? Yes. Okay,
Stand up kayo, Jaira.
Ayun, no? Ang gwapo naman, ganda naman ng mga batang to. Ayan. So, pwede ko ba tanungin? During your TV workshop, ano yung pinaka-favorite yung activity so far?
Teamwork po because I can help my teammates out and have care for them.
Nice naman, grabe. Grabe yung I have care for them. Grabe yung natutunan ng mga bata talaga sa TV workshop, no? Ikaw naman, Jaira. Ano yung pinaka-favorite mong activity so far sa workshop?
Responsibility because I can learn to put my things back in the proper place and take care of it.
Grabe! Nakaka-proud naman talaga itong mga batang to. You're so cute! Ayan, so, ang siya lang malaman na bukod sa having fun, talagang marami kayong natutunan mga core values ng KD as KD Cruz, right? So, ano yung mga, mga other things pang favorite nyo? Like yung mga making cheeseburgers, mga ganun ba, drive-thru?
Magsaserve ko kasi I know they're hungry and they're starving.
Wow naman! Grabe ba talaga yung effect ng KD Cruz workshop sa mga batang to? Grabe, I just want to say that I'm really proud of these kids. No? Ikaw naman, Jaya.
The drive-thru because I can meet other employees and I can see and make people smile.
Grabe. Thank you for that wonderful answer. Grabe, alam mo yun, it's these kids at this age, talagang they know already some of the values, you know, na talagang they will stay to them until they grow old, no? Good job, guys. Dahil dyan, pwede na ba ako sabayan sa 5 check?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.